Hi there, in today's video we will learn how to create a stretching effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's jump into the timeline. Here is the normal text. I'll apply effect in this layer. Go to effect panel and search transform. Apply the effect onto the text layer and go to the effect control panels. Here you can see transform effect. Move a back forward, unclick the uniform scale, then decrease the scale white value to 1% and turn on the stopwatch icon. Move 2 frames forward, 1, 2. Then increase the value 135. Then move 2 frames forward, 1, 2 and reset the scale white value. Now turn off this option and increase the shutter angle value 360%. Now if I play the video, you will see the effect has complete. I will save the effect as a preset. Go to transform and save it. I will change this effect name text and hit the OK button, and then I will apply another text. Go to effect control panels and search text. Apply the effect the second layer and play the video. To get more interesting editing related video like this, subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so that our next video reach out.